seasoning masala. Add little oil to the pan. Add chopped onions. As the onion turn dark brown, add a spoon of cumin seeds. Add coriander. Add red dry chilies. Add coriander leaves. Add the spices, dry spices. I have used the fennel seeds, that is sown, cloves, elaichi and black pepper. Add 2 spoons of coconut powder. Once the coconut powder turns slightly golden, switch off the flame and cool this. Blend this into a smooth paste. Add little water. Paste is ready. Keep this aside. Add oil to the cooker. Add tejpata and green chilies. Add onions. Add ginger garlic paste. Now add the mutton. Add salt, turmeric, red chili powder, add coriander, add mint, add a cup of water. Mix this. Keep lid and let this get 7 to 8 whistles. Now add the grinded masala paste and give it a mix. The meat is 80% cooked and let this cook on a medium flame until the meat is completely cooked and the curry thickens. So once the curry thickens and the meat is completely cooked, add coriander for garnish, and now this can be served. Here the mutton masala curry is ready, and in case if you have liked this video, do subscribe to Anagha recipes. Thank you.